All right, what's up, everybody? I hope you guys had a great weekend. Sorry that I have some background noise going on. I'm not home right now. Hopefully, you guys can hear me though. So, about to just get into a quick weekly, or like a weekly outlook, for this upcoming week. Let me just make this full screen. All right, so start on the weekly. Oh, what are we doing? Week. Full screen. So week. All right. So again, like I said, I hope you guys had a great weekend. Just gonna do a quick weekly breakdown of what I'm looking at going into this week. So I know that Labor Day is tomorrow. Banks are gonna be closed. So I'm not gonna be taking anything tomorrow morning or throughout the whole day for the most part, just to minimize risk. My experience with trading on like bank holidays is pretty bad, so I'm just not going to do it. I'll monitor, see what's going on, but not going to be taking anything, as will be a little bit lower probability. So this is the range that we're in for the week currently. Pretty big range, pretty deep retracement from the last low that was made, or the last higher low that was made, but we are still trending upwards, or have an upward trajectory. Go to 1 day. So on the daily, the daily is kind of where things get interesting between ES and NQ. On the daily, we have a lot of discorrelation between price, in a main way, or in a big way. Let me make this. All right, so as you can see on NQ, we have this high that was taken, corresponding with ES. So these highs have been taken. As you can see, if you look at my time cursor, the times line up with the price and the price action itself, the highs and lows. But then on ES, we have this high that was taken already, and price is now consolidating, determining whether or not it wants to break above or stay below, and continue downwards. On NQ, we haven't done that yet. So now we have a bearish divergence on the daily time frames that I am wary of, because it has held very well so far, where price is really just squeezing, and we'll just have to see where price wants to go. But yeah, so that's on the daily. Going down to the 4 hour. Going down to the 4 hour, we have clean price action on NQ, where we have our 4 hour ranges within the daily. Let me go to ES. Oh, we're already there. So ES is a little bit more choppy, where it's just sideways action, where NQ is flowing downwards. We are in a clear downtrend. Where ES, we are still in a downtrend, but it's just tested candles really just right here, this price level here. Prices want to break above, but then again, it's struggling to stay below and continue down. So our price range, that we're looking at right now, immediate one is, this is the immediate high, immediate low on the 4 hour time frames. And then you can see on ES, we have something kind of similar, but the only thing different mainly is because this high, let me go down to the 1 hour actually, it'll be a little bit clearer. So as you can see, we have this high between both assets, that has been taken on ES but not on NQ. So now we have a bearish divergence that has been formed because of that, and then that's mainly it. Looking at the low was taken as well. The low was not taken the low was taken on ES but not on NQ. So we may want to see price coming back and take this low, at least this low here, and then go back down further, because all price did here was expand the price range by a few points on each side, whereas NQ is staying within the initial price range here, this high and then this low. So yeah, I would be looking to see price, make some type of downward move. We're gonna, rebalance, or at least come to equilibrium of the price range. Let me draw that. So it's at least somewhere within here on both assets, possibly before continuing up. Then again, like I said, tomorrow's a bank holiday, so we may not we may not get anything that looks like that tomorrow. Price could move anywhere that it wants to. Our job is just to keep an open mind on, in the morning, and go into the day with a pretty open mindset. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking at. Let me go to the 15. On the 15, I would like to see these lows get taken before we continue up higher, because we do have a lot of equal highs up here that I would like to see get taken out before going shorter, because there's a lot of liquidity up there to be swept. Same thing with ES, honestly. But yeah, probably something like this. Probably something like this. Or price to create some type of structure within the price range here, within this range here, so we could get maybe something on the lowers. Price comes down like this, we get another sweep, and then price flows to the upside. Same thing on NQ. Price does that. Maybe we get an SMT where price doesn't take the low, and then we just get the break above. That would be nice to see. But like I said, we just gotta keep an open mind. Don't get married to this trade idea. Anything can happen. But yeah, that's really what I'm looking at for this upcoming week. Like I said, tomorrow's Labor Day, so we're not going to be taking anything. Really, Tuesday's the start of the trading week, and it might be kind of shaky even then, also because having Monday off, and then a whole bunch of just volume pushed into the market, a day late. So we'll see what happens. Thank you guys. Have a blessed evening, and I will speak to you guys tomorrow just to go over what happened. Oh, and also, please like and subscribe. Point out anything to me in the comments that I might be missing, if I am missing anything. And I also have a Discord link in the description. We just reached 40 members, looking to grow. I don't sell anything. I'm not going there and just try to teach you how to trade. It's just for like-minded people, for all of us to be able to talk about our trading, give each other pointers and tips on the trades that we do take, the ones that we miss, the ones that we're scared to take, the ones that we should not have taken. And we've all seen incredible growth in each member since that has participated consistently since joining. We've had people that have gone from trading only demo sporadically to now trading a live account full time, in the sense of they trade a live account and that they don't trade demo anymore. We have people that trade stocks, currencies, crypto, forex, and futures. I trade futures myself. Indexes, everything. So please join. We'd love to have you. Open dialogue in there. We actually have a call tonight starting at 9 p.m. So if any of you guys join, then it'll be good to speak to you guys soon. So like I said, have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.